Welcome! Today we'll solve for the inverse secant of square root of 2. Let's break this down step by step to understand how to evaluate inverse secant functions. First, let's recall what secant and inverse secant mean. The secant function is the reciprocal of cosine. For inverse secant, the domain is all numbers less than or equal to -1, or greater than or equal to 1. The range is from 0 to pi, excluding pi over 2. Let's visualize this on the unit circle. When we're looking for SEC inverse of square root of 2, we're asking, at what angle is the secant equal to square root of 2? Remember, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, which is the adjacent over hypotenuse. So we're looking for an angle where the ratio of the hypotenuse to the adjacent side is square root of 2. Let's set up our equation. If secant theta equals square root of 2, then 1 over cosine theta equals square root of 2. Taking the reciprocal of both sides, cosine theta equals 1 over square root of 2. Now, we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying both numerator and denominator by square root of 2. This gives us cosine theta equals square root of 2 over 2. Therefore, theta equals our cos of square root of 2 over 2. We know that our cos of square root of 2 over 2 equals pi over 4, or approximately 45 degrees. Therefore, SEC inverse of square root of 2 equals pi over 4. We can verify this is correct because 1, pi over 4 is in the range of inverse secant, and 2, if we take the secant of pi over 4, we get square root of 2. To summarize, to find inverse secant, we first understand that we're looking for an angle where secant equals our given value. Second, convert to cosine by taking the reciprocal. Third, solve for the angle using inverse cosine. Finally, verify our answer is in the correct range.